How's it going, guys? Scott Patterson here from my Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? Today's video, we are going to talk about how to transcribe videos into text. So if you've been looking for audio ways to convert videos into text files, say if you've got a blog or something like that and you're not that keen on writing your blog, easiest way that I have found is to simply convert it using software. Now I'll show you the software that I use. There are free methods. This is not that expensive. I'll show you 1 second. So this is the software I use called Rev. Thank you, Elon. That's nice to tweet. And depending on the length of your video, it's not too expensive. And I go for, if you look at, so this software is called rev.com. Go to the services drop down menu, and I go for the rough draft. Cost 25 cents a minute. I think they give you like the first 40 minutes or something free or something like that. So if you're just starting out, I just have an account with them, so I only use this one, and then you can tidy it up when you read through it. So how to use it? 1 second, I'll just log into it. All right. Now, so go to the drop-down menu, click on the one that you want, and then get started. And it's taking its sweet time. Why are you taking so long? Okay. Upload files. 1 second. Okay, so all we do is, and I'll show you my videos. I'm going to use this video from YouTube. Where is it? Yeah, this one here. I'm going to convert this video into a text file, and I'm going to pop it on my blog. Just saves you writing. If you don't like writing, if you like writing, then go for it. But everyone is busy, you know. People have lives and stuff, and they don't have usually creating a income like this online. Not many people are doing it full time, so you want to save as much time as possible. So I'll show you the quickest way that I do it. So we need to find the file that it is that you've saved on your computer, if you've got it. So I'll show you 1 second. So I'll go to upload files, and here we go. This is the file I'm going to use. No, that's not. That's the JPEG. Let me just find it. Alright, sorry about that, folks. I just forgot where I put the file. So it is here. So I use this, and I download that, and it does its thing. And then depending on the length of the video, it will tell you how much it's going to cost you. And remember, it's only like 25 cents a minute, so it's not going to be massively expensive. If you want to find a cheaper method, then yeah, by all means, do that. I'm just going to pause this until this does its thing. Alright, I am back. Sorry, that took a little bit longer than I was expecting. But anyway, as you can see, it's a huge $2.25. So if that is a problem, then you might want to seek alternative routes to do that. I'm sure there is free stuff, but I just like to get things done quickly. And think about it this way. You obviously, if you're creating a blog and you're monetizing it, I use this as an investment. So $2.25 gives me a little tiny bit of real estate online that's going to sell forever for me, and then I'll sprinkle in my affiliate links and I'll make money out of that. So that's not a big deal. Like anything in business, you have to invest. You have to invest in yourself and in your business to grow. So I will just check out there 1 second. I'm happy to pay $2.25. I'll just pause this again. All right, we're back. Just went through the payment details, so you guys don't need to see that. You don't want to see all my nitty-gritty details. So that's confirmed. So $2.25. They'll send me an email saying, hey, your video is, there we go, your order's been received, as you can see there, and then they'll send me, that doesn't take that long, because it's all done by computer, this one. If you pay the higher one, it's transcribed by human beings, it takes longer. Once again, I just want to get stuff created and out there. So, and you should be the same, just get things done as quick as you can. So that will go ahead and make that text file for me, and then they will send me a email once it's completed. And then once we do that, I'll show you what to do from there. And by the way, if you are liking these videos and you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon. That way you'll get notified for other videos that I'm making. Alright, now that has told us that it is complete, so that's awesome. Let us pop into my email. 1 second, I'll just find that. Oh, let's click on that, we'll see what that does. Alright, view, so send an email, view and edit transcript, and we want to do that just to make sure it reads okay. Depending on how you speak, because I'm not a professional speaker, so I will throw in ums and ahs and all that sort of stuff, but we can take those out of here. So it shows you this is the video that was transcribed, and it'll go through. If you press play, how's it going, guys? Scott Patterson here from Total Life Happy. So it goes through and you listen to the video. And you can see if there's any things that you're not happy with, then you can edit them so it makes more sense as far as a article goes. So I'm going to download this. We can change, remove filler words, I will, so if there's any ums and ahs. Logging into the account. So remove filler words. Yes, I'll take out all the ums and ahs so it reads better, which is very handy. Very good little service. So we'll download that, and we'll also want to take out. We want to take out the timestamps, so that was all the coding stuff there, and it will take out the speaker names. So I want inline, which is good, and we're happy just to be a Word doc, that's fine. So I'll export that, and that should give me all in just one big block of text. So that's done. We'll open that. and let's see what it looks like. Come on, Mr. Word. Computer's running a bit slow today. That's not good. But anyway, it is pretty old, crappy. Where'd you go? What happened? I had it. Where did it go? Alright, sorry, I have to pause this again. I'll find it. Okay, back again. Alright, I found it, and now we need to enable editing in Word, so I'll do that. So we can break this up. So it's probably not gonna, there you go, it's not massive. It's 1.5 pages, which is fine, perfect for a blog post, but a bit hard to read. So we want to break it up into smaller chunks. And if you read, probably need to edit a bit here. So like, how are you going today? Blah, blah, blah. So you don't write. Well, some people do, but you want to write it more like an article. So I'll probably take that out. It wants to go away. Now we're talking. And break it into readable paragraphs and sentences. Just makes it easier for people to read. I'm just going to do that. I won't bore you to death with that. I'll just go through and do that quickly. Alright, we are back. Just had to go through and edit that. It's popping up grammatical errors basically from the way I speak. I'm not going to worry about changing those at all. It reads okay. That's all that matters. Once again, we're saving time. As long as you get your point across and it's and it reads okay, then so be it. So what we need to do now is copy this and I'll go old school. We'll copy this and we'll just post it now into our blog. So I'll just open that up. Go to my WordPress site and to posts, and I'm going to add new. You need a title, which I did have a title. I'll just pop this in first and go back to my YouTube channel and I'll find the title that I just had. Pardon me. My videos. 3 tips to overcome camera shyness. Shyness for your YouTube videos. Excellent. That is what I will use. And then we're pretty much good to go, I think. 3 tips to overcome camera shyness for your YouTube videos. Excellent, and that is done. So we'll post that, and that will conclude today's video. So pretty much just shows you the quickest way that I can find to create and transcribe your videos into text. That way you can use them. I use them for blog posts, but you can use them for whatever you want to use them for. And it's relatively inexpensive. So that's it. If you like what you see and you want more, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified for future videos. That is about it. Or if you are looking, I'll show you just quickly. If you are looking for an opportunity, if you go to any of my videos, click on it, just pause that so you don't see that. But if you're looking for how I make money, go to this link here. So my #1 recommendation to make full-time income online. Click there, that'll get you started anyway with what I reckon is the best way to get started. But it's up to you. You'll know it'll either resonate with you or not, but definitely check it out. And if you've got any questions, hit me up. I'm happy to answer questions. Or if you want any topics that want me to cover, definitely do that, because I'm happy to do that as well. Anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.